Dyson's second robot vacuum and its first with the Mopping, the Dyson Spot Scrub AI, is now in my hands. Online buzz remains high. As techTongBo, a specialist in robot vacuum and clean accessories, here's a quick look. Both the base station and robot are quite large. The base station features a dustbin instead of disposable bags. Similar to ecovacs stable X11 OmniCyclone, cutting long-term coats and waste. Cleaned deeply after 2 to 3 users to avoid odors. It also has clean water tanks and dirty water tanks, with a cleaning solution hold in the cleaning water tank. Navigation combines 2 light lasers and AI camera. The green light makes dirt highly visible, widely pressed. Press to open the dustbin. Inside are a removable head filter and a pre-filter, both easy to clean. Underneath, the roller brush has soft bristles and anti-tangle components. Suction reaches 18,000 Pascal, strong enough for daily needs according to users. The side brush doesn't extend a lift, somewhat outdated compared to current flagships, which may choose secondary solid. The Mopping uses a popular ruler design for real-time self-cleaning. We have covered this design in detail in other models before. With master direction, it adds extra passes and pressure to top stands. Additionally, the mop uses 16 degrees Celsius real-time cleaning, and the base station features 45 degrees Celsius hot air dry, reducing manual work. Still, replace the mop every 3 months for best results. Hardware receives most positive feedback. However, the interaction feels clunky, and the app is often criticized for being basic, with incorrect maps and troublesome settings. Not ideal for software-focused users. Would you buy this machine?
Search techTongBo to get accessory details.